Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I want to talk to you about the best window for natural airflow. Today we're going to look at the casement window. I've talked about the casement window before in other videos, before and afters and things of that nature, and I received a question asking what would be the best window for airflow. You don't have a lot of space and you want to get as much airflow as you possibly can. You're taking out an old double hung window, you're putting in a casement window. Well, here's what you want to do. This window here is going to open up 100% of the way. This whole window opens out like a door and captures air and brings it in. The other great thing about this window is that the locking mechanism pulls this thing in really, really tight. So not only is it best for having maximum airflow coming into the room that you want, but also when it's closed and locked, it's the tightest and doesn't allow air that you don't want coming in because of the two styles of weather stripping that's on this, the mole hair weather stripping and the compression seal. So this window is packaged wonderfully. First step, unlock your window and open up your window like this. So as you can see, the entire thing is going to open up to 90 degrees, just like a door. Now imagine wind coming in from a certain direction, grabbing against that wind, acting like a sail and pulling it all in. If you're living in the desert and you want to protect yourself against a lot of the wind, you know, Palm Springs is one of those areas where certain times of the year at about 5 p.m. you have some serious winds coming down those mountains and pushing dirt and sand all over the place, big sandstorms. This window is going to be the best against having that dust and dirt coming into your house. Again, because it seals the tightest. On the contrary, if you live in mountains or beautiful scenery, you have this nice picturesque kind of a glass that you can look straight out. Seals tight for the cold, and then whenever you want your windows open, you can get 100% of that air or that sound or whatever it is that you're after, and you're going to achieve that with a casement window. It's probably one of my favorite window systems that we offer, and it's going to cost you a little bit more money because of all of the components that it takes to build this. But when it comes to performance, against sound, against wind, it's a killer. This stuff it's a fantastic, fantastic window. If you're interested in a very large window, so you can maximize a 38-inch opening with one casement window. But if you have a 10-foot wide opening, you can do a casement on the left-hand side, a casement on the other side, and then a large picture window in the center. So you can basically essentially have one huge window that will open up for you and look dynamic in your house. So if you have a very, very large opening, you don't always have to go with an XOX slider window or a large slider window or even a picture window for that matter. You can always configure a casement, picture window, casement, and it looks amazing. And it'll give you a lot of airflow, a lot of light, and it's just gonna look fantastic. Again, one of my favorite style windows. And some people say, oh, it's kind of old school, isn't it? Not really, because even slider windows are old school, but there's the new and improved style of sliders, just like there's a new and improved style of casement window. So these are great, great options for those who are interested in a casement window system. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.